Two types of people should take SeniorLiving.org's free online hearing test: those who hear well and those who don't. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.org. Even if you believe your hearing is impaired, schlepping to the doctor's office on a weekday can be a real pain in the butt and the wallet. Instead, check out our free online hearing test at SeniorLiving.org. Now, hearing degrades as we age, and if you're wondering whether you really do need to visit an audiologist, well, the test will help guide you. If your hearing is fine, well, you can use the results as a baseline. Just repeat the test every year until you see your results start to slip. Let's hope they don't. The link is in the video description, and we also have plenty of helpful information on hearing aids as well. So keep coming back to SeniorLiving.org to age with ease.